should work if we did the password right. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of that LWL moment. We're at an arcade. But if you guys are new to the channel, I do play arcade games. We are currently at NeoFuzz Arcade. There's a bunch of claw machines at a few different games. So while we're here, I'm going to show you guys some hacks on how to win some of these claw machines because sometimes they can be hard to win. So yeah, let's check out a few, see what we got. Cool, so here we are, we got your standard claw machine. So what you guys want to do, you guys want to try to hack into the password, so that way you can increase the grip strength. So what we're going to do is go left, down, left, and then press that button. Cool? Right there, start the game. You don't want to do it too early. And then we're going to just pick one that we can try to grab, and it should work if we did the password right. Alright, let's go. Let's see, just like that. Easy. Ha. First try. Alright, so just like I said, you're gonna want to go left, right, wait no, left, down, left, and then push the button. Cool? Now let's check out it on another machine. We're trying out on a different claw machine now. Going down to this joystick. Got left, down, left, under the claw button. There. Put in our credit. Line it up. Maybe a little further back. Even after the little password thing, you gotta make sure you line it up kinda. So that way it still works. You mess up, you know, you're gonna waste your credit. So we're good, we should be good. And yay, see? Just enough. Yeah, Pokeball. Awesome job. By the way, go back to the Pokemon episode. I don't know if I uploaded this arcade video first, but I did go to a Pokemon shop today. And yeah, cool, Pokemon, yeah. The Pokemon is good. Yeah. Alright, I'm a little iffy on the newer Pokemons. Just comment down below what Pokemon this is, alright? Yeah. Cool, so we're going to try this 3 times in a row. Same thing before putting in your credit. You're going to go left, down, left, then push that button, and then put your credit in right there. Put your credit in right there. Perfect. Alright, let's see what we can go for. Digging the cube. Hopefully the grip strength is now stronger. And I can just keep it up. Here we go. And there it is. See? Easy peasy. Ha. 3 in a row. Awesome, guys. So we're going to try out a new machine. We got new Marvel characters. And you know your boy loves Iron Man right there. Yeah. Well, in the last game I said like you just want to make the top heavy. Wait, no. Cool. So you already see him hanging over the chute. There's 2 things that you can do. You can either hit his head to make him top heavy and just go down, or you can lift up the body and then just flip him over in. We're going to do it that way. But still we're going to do that hack, left, down, left. Button. I'm aggressive because I really want Iron Man. Alright. Cool. So you want to line it up right to that body. We're good in the back too. Maybe let me do the tap bit further. Alright. I'm going to zoom in for y'all. Here we go. Looking good, and winner! Ha! Yeah! Iron Man. Sick prize. Dang. Wait, my card. Yeah. Alright, so you see some of these mini arcade machines. Like here's like my card. That's like a reference, so you know how small these machines are. We want to say 80%, pretty much guaranteed-ish kind of win. Are you kind of guaranteed it? As long as you line it up, should be fine. Let me show you guys how you. You gotta pick one that kind of lined up. Drop it. Should be good. And look. Simple win. Yeah, with these smaller ones, you don't really need to do the hack. It's just, yay, easy to win. Well, the main reason I really love this arcade are the prizes. And you got like bootleg prizes, like bootleg Disney, bootleg Marvel, and bootleg Pokemon. They got a freaking black Pikachu. I need one. Alright. Oh shoot, I forgot to do the hack. Let's see if it works. Alright, here we go. Line it up. I think that's right. Yeah, maybe. Alright, here we go. Alright, see? I didn't do the hack. So that didn't work. Alright, the same thing, the hack, left, down, left, and the button. Alright. Here we go. Should be fine. Right. There we go, see? The hack works always. Always tried the hack. And now I got a Pikachu, a black Pikachu. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. I'm gonna go one last one of the 100% win rate. Got 6 more credits, which is just the last one, and that's it. I see a pair of handcuffs in there. That's pretty cool. See if I can get that. On handcuff. And there you go. Did it beat handcuff? I don't know if you can tell. Yeah. Dope. So that is gonna do it for this episode. Alright, you guys learned a few hacks, check out a few tips. Alright, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you on the next video. Later.